morning, grade 9 Pukari.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teachers. Welcome to grade 9 cookery.
Okay, please take your seat. Clap once if you are ready. Clap twice if you can hear me and you are ready. Okay, 3, 2, 1, listen. Before we start, let's now proceed to our classroom rules and regulations. First, respect and listen to teachers. So, na-observe kasi namin some of the students, kahit na mabangga na kami, kahit makita na kami dyan is, kahit good morning or ano man lang, wala. Kahit dadaan, kahit excuse ma'am, wala. Okay? Always respect your teachers. Be quiet when your teacher is talking. Most of the time, mas marami pa ang student, mas marinig pa namin yung boses ng student kaysa sa teacher. Gets? Be honest. Always use the words po and opo. Most of you, wala nang po or opo. Madalas magtanong kami, oo. Madalas magtanong kami, oo. Ganun ba yun? Raise your hand to speak. Kung gusto nyo magsalita, pakitaas ng mga kamay ha, hindi yung bigla na lang magsasalita. Kakasabi ko lang ng rules and regulation, boys at the back, nag-uusap na. Submit everything on time. When passing notebook, don't forget to write your name, section, and the date. I want you to know lang, I am very strict with the due date. Once sinabi ko due date is due date. Wala nang extension doon. Or magbibigay man ako ng extension, but may minus points na yon. Yes? So here our objective for today's lesson. So hindi ko na siya i-read kasi nagmamadali tayo. Gets lang ba? Okay, now let's proceed to our lesson proper. Tools and equipment used in preparing desserts. So, what is the difference of tools and equipment? Anyone from Curie? Curie? Anyone from Curie? Shaira? What is the difference between the tools and equipment?
Ang tools po, ma'am, is ginagamit po siya. Yung tools po, ma'am, is nahahawakan, while yung equipment is ginagamitan ng electricity and yung mga malalaki.
Okay, exactly. Very good. Please give barangay clap to Shaira.